Well, let's go to place the logo for the other objects that are salt and pepper, and instead of the chopsticks. At the first I got a duplicate of the logo that we placed on the chopsticks, and by pressing the G and X keys I move it to the right side and place and put it at the bottom of the pepper, and then enlarge it a bit until it is suitable for the top of the pepper in terms of dimensions. And then select simple deform again from the modifier sections, and like the previous object we import of the appropriate degree and then apply it. So now we will do some rotation, and by moving back, and I will create the right place for the logo on the pepper. Then in the edit mode, by pressing the M key, I set the merge the distance to 4000, and from the modifier section I activate decimate and apply it. Like the previous objects, we select boolean and also select the logo and apply it. Then by right clicking we select shade auto smooth again, and as you can see that the logo was well placed on the pepper. So then we get another duplicate of the logo and do the all items and options same pepper for the salt. After that we want to place logo on the place of the chopsticks, which it is a different amount, but it is not a problem. Let's do it together. First we get a duplicate of the logo on the spoon, and then move it to the right in the X direction and place it on the desired object and enter the edit mode. Then we make it bigger a bit and place it in the right place, and by press M key we put the merge distance on the 3000. Also we select the decimate option from modifiers and apply it. Here the important thing that we must pay attention to is that we must apply all of transform. So by pressing the Control key and A and selecting all transform, and right clicking to place the origin in the middle, and then select the deform simple deform section from the modifiers, and we set the axis to Z, and also select the bend, and then set the appropriate degree to about minus 15 degrees, and from the origin part we can choose the place of the chopsticks. So we create a relatively better appearance and finally apply it. Now by selecting boolean from the modifiers, we engrave the logo on the place of the chopsticks, and like other objects, we complete it by applying shade auto smooth and hiding the logo. Finally, for this part, I considered two letters S and P to engrave on salt and pepper. At first we create one text by pressing the Shift and A keys, and then in the edit mode we write the S letter, and after that in the properties section click on the A or data option, and from the paragraph and horizontal alignment set it to center, and vertical we put it on the middle, and also from the font section we can choose any font in the defined system. I choose Arial font for S letter. Then we place the S letter on the top of the side, the salt, and change the location and rotation settings to create the right direction. Due to the cylindrical shape of the salt, we selected a value from the modifier simple deform section, and enter it in the Z direction to the degree corresponding to the salt. After that, like other objects, we select the boolean modifier and engrave the S letter on the salt, and we fix the deformation problems by right clicking and choosing shade auto smooth. Now by creating the P letter and converting it to mesh and placing it on the other cylinder, after making the necessary settings, we will engrave it on the pepper cylinder as well as the previous objects. At present, all the projects have a logo engraving, and in the following we enter the materialization and texturing section.